everyone, I'm Zayd Archer. Starting a business can seem overwhelming, especially if you're starting from scratch, but today I'm going to break it down step by step. If I had to start a business today, here's exactly what I'd do in 10 simple steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, these steps will give you a clear path to success. So grab a notebook and let's get started. The first step in starting any business is finding a niche that's profitable. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Instead, focus on a specific group of people and a specific problem you can solve. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, instead of launching a general fitness business, narrow it down to something like fitness for busy professionals or home workouts for beginners. Why? Because when you target a niche, you can create specialized solutions and stand out in a crowded market. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is validating your business idea. This means making sure there's demand for what you want to offer before you invest too much time or money. A simple way to do this is by talking to potential customers, checking if similar businesses are already succeeding, and seeing how many people are searching for your solution online. If people are already spending money in this space, it's a good sign. Next, you need a business plan. Now, I'm not talking about a 50-page document full of jargon. A simple one-page plan is enough at this stage. Outline your business idea, who your target customers are, how you plan to reach them, and how you'll make money. This will serve as your roadmap, keeping you focused and helping you navigate the challenges ahead. Nowadays, having an online presence is essential for any business. Whether you're selling products, services, or your expertise, people need to be able to find you online. This starts with creating a simple website or landing page where customers can learn more about your business and how to contact you. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be professional. Platforms like WordPress or Shopify make this super easy. Now it's time to create your offer. What are you going to sell? It could be a product, a service, or even digital content. But here's the key. Make sure your offer solves a problem for your customers. The more specific and valuable your solution, the easier it will be to sell. For example, if your niche is fitness for busy professionals, your offer might be a workout plan that only takes 20 minutes a day. Make sure the value is clear. Setting up a sales funnel is the process of guiding potential customers from being aware of your business to making a purchase. This typically starts with free content like blog posts or social media to attract people. Then you can offer something small like a free guide or low-cost product to build trust. Finally, you offer your main product or service. By nurturing your audience and guiding them through these steps, you can turn leads into paying customers. Your launch is important. You want to create as much buzz as possible when you launch your business, even if you're starting small. Use social media, reach out to friends and family, or offer special deals to early customers. The goal is to get people talking about your business and to get those first few sales. Remember, momentum is key in the beginning. Once your business is live, marketing becomes your number one priority. There are countless ways to market your business, from social media to paid ads, email marketing, and even word of mouth. But here's what I suggest. Start with just one or two channels. If you spread yourself too thin, you won't be able to master any of them. Focus on where your target audience spends most of their time. Is it Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok? Put your energy there and grow from there. After your business is up and running, you'll need to keep improving. This means tracking your results, things like website traffic, sales, and customer feedback, and making adjustments where necessary. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot. The best entrepreneurs are those who are willing to adapt and optimize their approach over time. Finally, once you've got a solid foundation, it's time to scale. This means finding ways to reach more customers and increase your profits. You could add new products, expand into new markets, or hire a team to help you grow. Whatever path you choose, remember that scaling isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about building systems and processes that allow your business to grow without needing you to do everything. So, there you have it, the 10 steps I would take to start a business today. Remember, the most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before you start, because the perfect time never comes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more entrepreneurship insights, money-making strategies, and personal development tips. Let's build success together. I'm Zayd Archer, and I'll see you in the next video.